Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting Treasures. This is Reena. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful wall decor from things you already have at home. For this you will need a plastic egg tray with the lid, a bunch of plastic flowers with the stem attached. Next is fairy light set. This is a 20 LED fairy light with cork shaped battery pack. Next, a decorated cardboard tray or a cardboard piece of paper. I had a golden tray with me. Then your crafting scissors and hot glue. Cut the flowers a little below the base so that they keep their form. Now, leaving the center portion of the tray, we are going to attach the flowers with using hot glue to all the other holes. Next, cut your cardboard piece in rectangle shape to attach in the middle. Decorate it with a word or design of your choice. Using hot glue, attach the cardboard piece to the egg tray. Attach the fairy lights to the inside of the lid using small pieces of cello tape. Close the egg tray, leaving the battery pack of fairy light outside. Attach the battery pack to the side of the tray using hot glue. You can get a hook and attach it to the corner of the egg tray. Your decor piece is ready. Light it up, either hang it or keep it on the corner table. Bye, see you soon with another video.